In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a video to your GoDaddy website in a simple and straightforward manner. Incorporating media such as video is a great way to make your website more interactive and engaging for your visitors. Let's get started. Firstly, you need to edit your site. To do this, access your GoDaddy account. Once you've logged in, look for the option labeled Websites plus Marketing within the interface. Click on this feature to navigate to your active projects. From this project's display, locate the website you want to modify, then click the button titled Edit Website. This action will take you to a screen where you can make changes to the look, feel, and content of your website. Remember, GoDaddy has a user-friendly, intuitive design interface, so don't feel overwhelmed. Next, you are going to add a new section to your website where the video you want to include will be displayed. To complete this step, navigate to the specific page where you plan to place the video. On this page, look for the Add section button, often represented with a plus symbol to signify its function of adding new content. Once you locate this button, proceed to click on it. Upon clicking the Add section button, a menu pops up, showing different kinds of content that you can opt to add to your web page. Within this menu, your task is to identify the section labeled Audio and Video. After finding it, go ahead and click on it. This choice will present you with more options where you need to go ahead and choose the video option. Furthermore, you are given a chance to pick your preferred layout for the video. This layout determines how the video will appear on your site. Choose one that fits your taste and the aesthetics of your page, then confirm your decision by hitting the Add button. Now that you have a designated section for your video, you're all set to upload the video content. In the panel located on the right side of your screen, you will see a field where you can paste your video link. If your video is hosted on a platform like YouTube or Vimeo, simply copy the video URL from there, then come back to your GoDaddy workspace and paste the link into the provided field. The final step is making your video live on your site. It sounds big, but it's brilliantly simple. Look for a button labeled Publish, then click on it. This action makes the video available to all your website visitors. And there you have it, a finely integrated video sitting pretty on your GoDaddy website. Follow these easy steps, and you'll have no trouble making your website more attractive and dynamic with video content. Happy editing!